Kicking off our list is the Rediger Dashcam Front Rear. This sleek device boasts 41080p recording, capturing both the front and rear views of your vehicle in stunning detail. With features like built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and night vision, this dash cam is a must-have for any driver looking to enhance their safety and security on the road. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you're interested in learning more. Next up, we have the Rove R2 4K dash cam built-in Wi-Fi GPS. This powerful dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD recording, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journeys. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and manage your recordings right from your smartphone. Plus, with features like night vision and parking mode, you can rest assured knowing your vehicle is always protected. Don't forget to click the link below to find out more. Moving along, we have a Daikin Dashcam with app. This innovative dashcam comes equipped with 1080p Full HD recording and seamless connectivity via built-in Wi-Fi. With features like loop recording and motion detection, you'll never miss a moment on it. And did I mention, it comes with a free 64GB SD card. Talk about value. Check out the link below to grab yours today. Coming in at number 4, we have the Midin CS7 2.5K Dashcam front and rear. This feature-packed dashcam offers 2.51080p dual recording, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. With a large IPS screen and aluminum alloy case, this dashcam is as stylish as it is reliable. And with a 10-year warranty and lifetime technical support, you can drive with total peace of mind. Click the link below to learn more. Last but certainly not least, we have the Vontrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam, packed with features like dual 1080p recording, infrared night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam is a favorite among rideshare drivers and commuters alike, plus with optional GPS tracking and an 18-month warranty. It's easy to see why this dashcam is a top pick on Amazon. Be sure to check out the link below for more details. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 dash cams available on Amazon right now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. And if you're interested in any of the products mentioned, don't forget to check the links in the description. Thanks for watching and happy driving.